You've heard the scratching, you've found the tracks, but how do you keep them out for good? Today, Trapper Tony is moving from the investigation to the solution. We're up on the roof to seal a major raccoon entry point and reinforce this home against future intruders. That also includes squirrels. Let's get to work.
All right, we're up on the ladder looking at the raccoon entry point of this roof. You can see right here where the soffit has been torn open. Raccoons are incredibly strong. They'll pry and rip at weak areas until they create an opening large enough to get inside this attic. You'll also notice these dark rub marks and damage around the edges, which tells us this isn't a one-time visit. This has been used repeatedly as an access point. Before sealing anything, we always make sure the attic is fully cleared so no animals are trapped inside. Now we're installing a reinforced soffit seal. This closes the entry using wildlife-proof materials designed to withstand future attempts. We're also adding preventative sealing along the adjacent soffit section. Raccoons often return and try the next weakest soft point, so reinforcing the surrounding areas helps stop repeat problems before they begin. Proper repair and prevention are what keep wildlife out long term, not just today, but years down the road.
When it comes to wildlife, a simple patch isn't good enough. You need reinforced wildlife-proof materials that can stand up to the strength of a determined raccoon. Proper prevention today saves you thousands in repairs tomorrow. If you want to see exactly what we're looking for before the repairs begin, click the video on your screen right now to watch a full pro attic inspection. Don't forget to subscribe to Pest Protection Plus for more expert tips on shielding your home. We'll see you in the attic.